What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewisTrading.com. I'm going to be doing a Monday market review for you, starting at the top with the S&P 500. Yesterday, in Sunday's alert that we sent out, we were talking about this three-candle reversal pattern right through here, and we were looking at this 200-day simple moving average support level in combination with 2764 support based on Friday's low. And what we're looking at was trying to play the relative strength side of things. We were looking for either the long side of the market to break out at 2813, also taking out 150-day SMA resistance. And then on the flip side, we're looking at 2764 to break down. And the one thing that I was noting, that there was a very, very short-term step down in the histogram and in general momentum towards the downside. And we called for a 2764 breakdown, and that's exactly what happened today on the S&P. So instantaneously, we were shifting our sights over to our short side of our stock list that went out last night, and just played the relative strength. And so essentially, if the S&P is breaking down, all of the weak stocks that we have in our sights are also going to follow suit and just get hammered. And to start with that, I'm going to talk about three stocks that actually made a move today. The first one is TTWO, and we were calling for this support level right through here to get broken down. And again, you can see that there was some support all the way through this general area, structured support over Friday's close and a few weeks ago, and the call was 109. When it breaks to the downside, we're going to see a move, obviously, to the downside, and we'd be looking at sort of a first target level of 103. Now, it did see a low of just about 106, and then it rallied higher, but you can see that it still is closed for the day below where we called for the breakdown. So not too bad on an intraday basis. If we can get some follow through tomorrow, that 103 target will be taken out, and it should move lower, theoretically. So we'll be watching that. ROKU was another one that we were watching for a breakdown, and we were discussing in last night's alert about this general support level at 43.63. This is Friday's close, and what I was looking for was the fact that momentum had turned around completely. And so out of the gate, we were looking for a sell-off from 43.63 down to a first target of about 40. That's exactly what happened today. So primary intraday targets were 100% completely met. And what we'd be looking for is now some follow-through over the next couple of days from 40 into that 36 level. So that is ROKU. We'll be watching that and talking about that in greater detail in Ask a Trader tomorrow. And then finally, EVC. This was a massive move. We called for a $4 breakdown, and this is a lower float stock. And you know, the overall trend is just, it's been range bound for a while. It rallied, could barely take that range out, got back into its range, sold below that range, got into a new lower range, $4. You know, it touched down right through here. It could have gotten a potential double bottom bounce right through here, but the momentum was just not there to the upside. It was showing us signs on Friday that was selling off. There was massive volume coming into play, and today $4 was taken out, and we dropped 40 cents. So this was a nice play on EVC. Again, we called this out in Ask a Trader, or sorry, not Ask a Trader, but in our stock alert list last night, and we'll be discussing it in Ask a Trader. And then the most epic trade on the day was actually an early morning options play in Apple. And this thing actually, you can see right through here that it was experiencing some weakness right out of the gate. And what we were looking at was this pre-market low to break down right out of the gate. 250 puts absolutely broke down right through here. This is the underlier. So Apple broke down, rallied, broke down again, rallied, and broke down again. And it was in this general area that our $2.50 puts skyrocketed up to about $5 and doubled. So that was a really, really big play on Apple, and we'll be discussing a little bit more on the option side of things as we move forward. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewisTrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There is a link below if you want to get involved with both Ask a Trader and our trade alerts. And by all means, join us in the up-and-coming webinar on why trading isn't working for you. I'm going to be hosting this webinar. We're just about full, and what we're going to be touching on is the key reasons why trading isn't working out for most people, and I'm going to give viewers some tools that they can walk away with to try and turn their trading around. So don't forget to join us there. If you sign up and it is fully booked, you're more than welcome to email me directly and I'll get you on the next list. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, all of the links that you'll need to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, etc. are all below, and we will see you in the next market review. Thanks for watching.